I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we'll learn how to estimate instantaneous rate of change from the curve. Question is, estimate the instantaneous rate of change at the tangent point indicated on each graph. So we have a parabola here. Tangent line is drawn at x equals to 0, y is 2. We need to find instantaneous rate of change, which is the slope of this tangent line, correct? At 2, right? So we can write instantaneous rate of change at this point is 0, 2, right? Will be how much? Is actually equal to slope of tangent, right? Tangent line is already drawn. When you do graphically, you may get not very accurate results. So we are saying estimate, right? So the idea here is, from the graph, locate some good points, right? So this seems to be a very good point. So that forms a good triangle. Now from here we can calculate the slope of this tangent, right? So as you can see, the points which we are considered, we are going down to, right? So you could write this rate of change as -2 and 1 unit to the right. So from the graph, you can say it is -2 over 1, which is the slope, right? We can write slope is, you are going -2, 2 down, and 1 right. So -2, 1 right. Let me write 1. This is one way of doing it. The other way is, we can write the coordinate points, right? So the coordinate points for us are, we are working on point 0, 2, and the other point is 1, 0, right? So the slope of this tangent line, y2 minus y1, 0 minus 2, divided by x2 minus x1, 1 minus 0, right? That gives us -2. Right? So we have applied a very simple formula, which is slope y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Remember, slope of the tangent line is actually the instantaneous rate of change at a given point, right? So that is the principle. Now apply the same strategy here and find slope at the given point. So that's the given point. It seems to be at this point, seems to be at 1.5, 2.5. Is it okay? Approximate value from the graph as I can read. So select points which are good to work with. That could be a very good point to check. This graph is kind of, and then we'll use the same point which is given to us, right? Using these 2 points, we can find the slope of the tangent line and then write down the result, right? So since the 2 points given to us are, this is -1, 0, slope m in this case is 2.5 minus 0 divided by 1.5 minus -1, or 2.5 divided by, that gives you +1, 2.5, or the slope is +1, correct? As you can see, so that's the instantaneous rate of change. If the line is going downwards, if it is decreasing, right, or going downwards, then the slope is negative, right? If it is increasing or going up, right, as in this case, if you see from left to right, then the instantaneous rate of change is positive, right? That's very important to understand from these figures, right? So remember, instantaneous rate of change is slope of the tangent at that point. I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope that helps. Thank you, and all the best.